What's going on, people? Just kind of test out the camera because I'm looking for a good camera. So I got this Samsung for my birthday like a couple of years back. I didn't really use it because it's so cool. I'm gonna take a picture of it. It has a front picture screen so you can see right there. So maybe you see I'm not looking right at you. I'm looking over here in the actual scene. So it's pretty good though. But yeah, so just put kind of servicing. Yes, I'm at work if you're wondering. I'm at work. So, how about people? Just stay at you. I have a few other videos that I'm going to make. One story time about my life. Because, just on YouTube, you probably wonder, who's this girl? Where is she from? Like, what she, obviously from Jamaica. But, what is about her? What's her life like? I want to go. So, I'm just going to make a short video about me, about my life. Yeah, give you a little insight of who I am and stuff like that because, to be real, you really want to know who a person is. Just watch them day-to-day life or, whenever they post something and you don't know nothing about them. But, yeah, so that made a lot of people. So, it look pretty good. I'm a selfie sticker word there. Well, selfie sticker say one. You can't say nothing to me. Selfie sticker say one. Shot boat. Now here's the mess that needs to be redone. But this is what I'm beat it, isn't it? I need to go get a facial. My face feels messed up. I've got this facial in the world. So I should go do that. Anyway, if you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. Please like everybody. Right, so I'll keep you posted about my story life, about my weight loss journey, and about any random video I'm coming to. So just stick with me. Right. Alright, so shout out the girl. Oh,